visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So pwedeng mag-resonate po sa inyo itong buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Whatever resonates with you, yun lang po ang kunin ha. So kapag hindi po nangyayari, hindi po. Okay? So kung meron, kung wala, wala. No, again, this is a general reading. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo mapanood itong reading na ito, this means that the message meant to find you. Magnetic attraction. Travel. Secret admirer. So parang nakikita natin dito, medyo, I think, this person might be, sabihin natin, ipinakilala, no? Kumbaga, hindi unexpected itong ating pakikipagkita dito kay person or nang makita siya. Pwede natin sabihin, siguro we are actually thinking that this might be an accident, no? Na nagkita kayo or someone might gonna say it is destined. Kasi sa dami-dami ng pagkakataon, sa dami-dami ng yung mga moments na pwedeng ma-delay, 'di ba? Yun yung parang perfect time na pinag-meet kayo nito ni person. Either pinakilala kayo, pwede nyo nga sabihin aksidente, nagkabanggaan kayo, no? Ng balikat, or nagkatinginan lang kayo, or it could be at the right time, parehas kayo ng training, no? One thing is for sure, it almost felt like the relationship became quick, no? Napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. I think someone here probably, sabihin natin, mas unang nagkaroon ng affection na doon sa isang tao to a point na hindi ito masyadong napapansin ng kabilang party, pero lagi itong nakatitig. For a few numbers of you, baka lang nagkayayaan kayo sa isang lugar. It doesn't always have to be a vacation. Again, it could be, pero hindi natin nililimitahan doon lang, no? Kumbaga, sabihin natin yung parang mga summer love, no? Pumunta ng probinsya or pumunta ng isang lugar, nakamit ng isang tao, and the rest is history. I feel like this relationship became really intense, no? Mabilis, mapusok. Maraming bagay dito siguro first time, no, nangyari. First time naramdaman, first time na experience, first time binigay, first time nagbigay. With the Seven of Pentacles. So, I think na either you or your person, you can interchange the roles, no? Kasi what I'm reading is the dynamic naman. Kumbaga, inaantay dito ng isang tao na kailan kaya uli mauulit, no? Kailan kaya uli magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na magkakausap muli kami in face-to-face, magkikita kami, magkakatitigan kami. Yung iba pa nga dito, I actually experienced this. Uh, we're totally strangers, like real. Uh, sa isang, alam niyo yung mga jeep, no? Yung mga nakapila doon. Parang every time na lang on a specific time and day, no? Um, lagi kami nagkakasabay. May pagkakataon pa nga 2 beses sa isang araw nangyayari, dahil nga sa pila, no? Siguro parehas yung time ng pasok namin. That's just my assumption then, oo. Medyo bata-bata pa ako, eh. Parang hindi kami nag-uusap, pero dumating din kami dun sa part na nag-usap kami for a short while. Kasi nga because of familiarity ng faces, no? So, parang 'pag nagkikita kami nagkakangitian na kasi it becomes parang hindi kumpleto ang travel time kapag hindi mo siya nakikita. I don't know with the person, 'di ba? So, parang inaantay mo rin yung gano'ng pagkakataon, kailan kaya? So, parang ito yung nagiging backstory nung ibang numbers sa inyo, no? Na parang kailangan ko na mag-prepare, no? Kailangan may gawin akong extra, no? Para mapansin or kailangan lagi akong fresh para pag nakita niya ako uli, no? Nagpre-prepare. That's backstory. Yung iba naman, I feel like this is the current situation na parang someone gets you parang inspired, no, to do something not really different. It could be different, but something, um, well, we can say productive, 'di ba? And we can say, inspired nga sa mga actions. We're waiting for that person because we are slowly, no, na falling in love with a person probably. Um, well, we can say na kahit papaano nafi-feel mo na si person din merong kaunting, ah, mga pinapakita or pinaparamdam. Whether this is verbal or not, nararamdaman naman natin 'yun, 'no? Sa mga titig, sa mga, um, pasulyap-sulyap, 'no? Yung mga little actions and energy can't lie, 'di ba? Minsan, para magkatabi lang kayo, there's some spark. Parang nag-uusap yung energy ninyo. Parang there's something, hindi man bumubuka ang bibig ninyo, parang there's actually a banter of energy, no? Um, with the Three of Swords, so parang medyo nasasaktan tayo. Kasi parang nawala, hindi natin nakita. Wow, siguro yung iba dito nag-iisip, lumipat na kaya siya ng bahay, lumipat na kaya siya ng trabaho. I feel like with the Seven of Pentacles, medyo na-miss niyo yung tao dahil hindi niyo napagkakikita lately, no? So with the Queen of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups, so meron pa dito nagsasabi na sana pala binigay ko yung number ko, sana pala binigay ko yung Facebook account ko, no? Para nagkaroon kami ng connection. Yung iba ginawa naman yon, pero wala pa ring respond, wala pa ring ad, or kung inad man, wala pa rin itong message, no? With the Chariot and the Six of Pentacles, um, it felt like dadating yung time na itong si crush na ito. We can say it's a crush or inspiration, pero yung iba kasi medyo nafo-fall na. I don't know how to describe, no, the emotion and how it becomes like that, na meron ka na agad feelings, pero it does really happen, no? It happened to me, and I feel like I'm not the only one, no? It's actually based on personal experience, but it was back then nga. So parang inaantay mo sana magkausap kami or magkaroon kami ng time, no, together na um, magkaroon ng konting, kumbaga, sana may stranded kami or magka-traffic, na parang the unusual wishes na dating ayaw mo. Parang sana mas mahaba pa yung pila, no? Or sana nasa likod ko siya, or sana nandyan lang siya sa harapan, no? Magtagpo kami, magkita kami muli. I think that someone here also is very curious to actually want to know some information from the person. It could be you, it could be them, it could be both of you. With the Queen of Rods, the Ten of Rods. So, nahihirapan tayo makipag-communicate or i-communicate itong ating nararamdaman kay person verbally. That's for sure. Queen of Rods is actually a verbal conversation. But with the Ten of Rods, we're having a hard time kasi it's either hindi nga siya nagre-respond or hindi natin naibigay ang ating information. So, ito na ba ang ito na ba ang sinasabi nating hindi ko man lang na-experience sa kanya na mag-date man lang kami, no? Or magkaroon kami ng kahit siguro hindi na kami magsabay, basta meron kaming communication, di ba? Uh, with the Queen of Rods, the Hermit, and the Ace of Swords. It felt like may hinahanap kang person. Hinahanap mo siya or hinahanap ka niya for some reason. Either magkikita kayong muli or ang nakikita dating kasi dito with the Hermit sa sobrang tagal, no? Parang kakahanap mo, meron kang isang mutual friend na friend din pala siya. Gagawa si Universe. Itong stranger na ito ay makakadaog pang palad mo muli. That is for sure. Ang nakikita lang natin dito, yung iba medyo nahiwalay because of, sabihin nga nating bakasyon, no? Or sabihin natin kailangan ko nang bumalik sa lugar ko, no? Or sa pinagtatrabahuhan ko, or lumipat ng lugar or lumipat ng pagtatrabahuhan. But one thing is for sure with the Ace of Swords, victory naman ito. It kind of make me feel that it will take, kung kailan mo ito napapanood, no? A month or a month and a week, no? Makikita mo siyang muli. Pero kung sino man itong stranger na ito, hinahanap ka rin niya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of this person. Kasi medyo kikiligin tayo dito at yung mga bandang, ako din yung kinikilig. Am I hoping? I think it's, will that gonna happen kasi hindi na ako masyadong naglalabas ngayon. But I don't wanna, kasi medyo matagal na rin yun, no? So, I wanna put that to rest. So, sa inyo na lang ako kikiligin. Pero if that happened to me, siguro, no? Kikiligin din ako katulad ninyo. So, let's check. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dito po sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link para dun sa inyong mga katanungan, no? Follow the instruction, click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Nandun din po yung 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Pisces, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio. Yan. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Searching for my purpose, playing through light and dark. There were ups and downs in this journey, but now I am awake that shines. Predicting future is my purpose, yelling the stars